Hi there. Today I'll be trying these exotic flavored cashew nuts that I recently received. These are the wasabi and truffle coated cashew nuts from Wasabi-O, King of Wasabi. Now, flavored cashew nuts, especially wasabi and truffle flavor, are completely new to me. I'm so very excited and just a little nervous to try these. But first, let's take a quick look at the packaging. All right, now for the interesting part. Let's pop this can open and see what we've got. First impression, these nuts are properly coated. They're almost fully encased in the wasabi and truffle seasoning. The coating is very green, and the cashews themselves are on the bigger side, which is nice to see. Okay, moment of truth, the taste test. Alright, so first off, these are definitely crunchy. And that's a good start. But this is definitely an acquired taste. When you first bite into it, the wasabi and truffle gives you a decent punch. I've never had real wasabi or real truffle before. So this is a completely new flavor profile for me. Like I said, it's an acquired taste. And one I haven't fully acquired yet. After the initial bite though, it does mellow out the more you chew. The flavor becomes less intense and a little more balanced. If you already love wasabi or truffles, this might be the perfect snack for you. As for me, I think I'll keep these around and revisit them later to see if I develop the sophisticated palate that these were clearly created for. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.